Visit the Soft Tech Lab website and go to the Map Leads Finder webpage. You can see the download button there. Download the software from that page. The software size is 90 megabytes and is compatible only with Windows 10 over 11. While installing, you may see a warning window. As shown in the screenshot, click on More Info and then click Run Anyway to proceed. Once installed, launch the software. You can log in using your Soft Tech Lab account credentials. If you are a first-time user or don't have an account, register at Soft Tech Lab first, then enter your email address and password to sign in. Upon first login, you will be prompted with a Google sign-in screen. Log into Google Maps using any of your Gmail accounts. To extract leads from Google Maps, you need to create a category first. If a category already exists, simply choose it from the category list. Next, enter your keyword list, one keyword per line. In this example, I have entered 5 keywords. Then enter your targeted locations, one per line. I have entered 3 locations. Make sure to enter the city, state, or province and country for each location. You can now see that 15 searches have been created. Our software is designed to combine keywords and locations to perform targeted Google Maps searches. When extracting business leads from Google Maps, the software automatically scrolls through results, clicks on each business listing, and collects key business information such as business name, phone number, website, rating, reviews, address, business category, and whether the business is running ads, among other details. Our backend further enriches the data by providing the standardized business name, a sanitized address broken down into street and locality, email addresses, alternative phone numbers, contact form links, social media profiles, and web technology information. In the logs window, you can track the extraction process in real time and monitor exactly what is happening during the leads extraction. There is also a powerful data filter feature where you can apply multiple filter cards simultaneously to narrow down leads based on your specific requirements. In the All Leads table, you will find options to add tags and notes for efficient lead management. A special lead quality filter allows you to sort leads into quality tiers: excellent, very good, good, fair, average, uncertain, below average, and poor, determined by an intelligent algorithm that analyzes ratings and reviews. In the categories screen, you can view all categories you have created along with the count of extracted business leads per category. In the searches screen, you can see all combined searches, each pairing a keyword with a location, along with the number of leads extracted per search and the date of extraction. In the analytics screen, all lead data is presented graphically, including leads over time, the number of leads with social media profiles, technology stack information, data quality overview, top searches, lead and business category breakdowns, and quality, reviews, and ratings distributions. In the settings screen, you can configure preferences such as whether to extract single or multiple email addresses from business websites and set up the email priority order. After applying your lead filters, you can export the leads in Excel format. Simply select the columns you want to include in the export. Then, save the Excel file to your computer. The exported Excel sheet contains all lead information in a well-organized, structured format completely free of duplicate entries. You can further filter and sort the data directly within Excel to suit your specific requirements. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is available on the Soft Tech Lab website,